So coming to the right hand side of the drawing, this is the project code here, the project name and the company which this project or drawing is given, and from the company which has produced this drawing. And this here comes the drawing title. So the drawing title is control panel GA and wiring drawing. What is GA? General arrangements. Okay, and this is the drawing number here, and this is scale size of the sheet number. So this drawing contains 14 sheets, total of 14 sheets. REV is revision, so this is the original drawing. There are no revision of this. So now coming to the left hand side of the drawing, we have the system. So this shows the technical data of the panel, and first we have the power. So 400 volt AC is given as a main feed with 3 phase, means RYB, and 4 wire with a neutral. So there are 4 wires, 3 plus 1 4. So this form 2 type 2 means the functional units are separated from the bus bar, means the breaker from the bus bar using a rigid material or insulation material. So coming to the dimension of the panel, all the scales are mentioned in the mm. So the height is 1200 mm, width 800, and depth is 250. So see, this is the height 1200, the width 800, and the depth 250 mm. So this is the height. Here to here is the height, and width from here to here. The depth is this one. This is the depth of the panel from here to here, 800 mm. So coming to the protection, it's IP55. This denotes that it is completely dust resistant and water jet protection from all the directions. So this panel can have water resistant and dust resistance in all the direction. And now coming to the external finish, it is polyester powder coating, and the paint used is light gray color. That's the coat. And the cable entry, all the incoming and outgoing cables are from the bottom, and all the cables are automatic. Notes: all the live parts are covered with insulating sheets. So the bus bars and all are covered with the insulating sheets, and all the dimensions are in mm. So the scale is on mm. So now coming to the extreme left of the drawing, first page. So here you can see the panel drawing. So there's a fan here, there's a filter here, and now what are these items, how to identify these items? See, this is 1, this is 3, this is 4, 25, 26, etc. It is given. This is QM. So how we can identify these items? So just turn the page next to it. So you have this description and this number. So this number are the exact number which is mentioned here. For example, we will go with 3. What is 3 here? So just turn the page and check for number 3. It's control on, means it is an LED indicator. If the control is on, this LED indicator will glow. This will glow. So for example, what is QM? Okay, QM. So here at last we can see QM is a handle. And if you want to know what is this 31, okay, 31 all are 31. Now go to 31 and it is hand off auto, means it's a three-way selected switch which can be in off position or auto or hand. Okay, so this is how we identify the drawing